Alright, today's mailbag is pretty quick, so let's get to it. So I wanted to show you that not always does your mail arrive perfectly. It's hard to tell if they looked in this from the Ukraine, a war-torn country, and it's from someone named Baranova. Yep. So I'm going to open this up. Pretty easy considering. And let's see what we got. Oh, these are tiny sockets, and they look to be the wrong size, but anyway, they're tiny ceramic sockets, and they don't even have plugs. What a waste of money. Well, they're tiny ceramic plugs for plugging in Nixie tubes. What a waste. Alright. That'll take forever to assemble that. Okay, this is from Monoprice. From Rancho Cucamonga, California. In there with the letter opener. The Kinko's letter opener is back. Alright. Some Monoprice BS. And we've got a DB13W3M to HD15F. So what that means is this is for the Sun SparcStation project. It's an adapter so that I can put it on a VGA. This one is very cheap. It may not work. It was like $8. It goes from the proprietary Sun format. I'll just pop it open so you can see what I'm talking about. Like that. It's kind of a proprietary format to VGA. It may not work with my VGA, but hopefully it will. It requires sync on green, which I may or may not have. I think I do have one though. So we got that. And finally, whatever. This one is from PCI Micro, Roland Heights, California. It's a Nighthawk hard disk drive cooler, also for the same project. So the Sun SparcStation 10, which is the model that I have, is just a little bit has cooling problems, and why not put this modern cooler in it in place of the hard drive that's empty, just to get a little more airflow going. I don't know if this is going to do that much, but it's certainly an option. It has these low profile 40mm fans, and I think it glows like red, but maybe not. I don't know if it glows anything. Oh, yeah, it might. It's hard to tell. I don't think it does. Anyway, we're going to put that in the SparcStation as well. So here's a picture of a SparcStation 10, and here's a picture of the inside. And right there, where I've placed the letter A, is where I'm going to put the cooler. And that's it for Mailbag. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Become a viewer. We could use your support on Patreon. Thanks so much, Retrofriend.